How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we got cardboard underneath the diesel, and that only means one thing: no, not leaks on the front end. We got work going on back here. You want to tell them what we're doing today?
You got a stack, huh?
You stacked it without me filming it?
And a nasty cat stack, yeah.
Oh, it ain't cut through the bed yet.
Doing a stack tip.
Stack tip. So
stack is coming. The nasty cat stack is coming.
what was that?
The nasty cat stack is coming.
Yep. So
gotta wait about 2 months. I gotta stuff the hole in the bed first.
2 months, but I guess in the meantime this will work. He's getting rid of this tip down here and putting on a stack tip in the rear. So the first step is we're gonna cut off this old tip because it's welded on, and then hopefully this one can just get slipped over. So
all right, this is a tech tip for everybody out there that's needing to make a straight cut on your pipe or any kind of round pipe. Get yourself a piece of paper at least twice the length of the diameter of your pipe that you want to cut. Using the straight edge, wrap the paper around your pipe, keeping the edge straight as you go all the way around. As long as your edges all line up square, draw your line, and that gives you a perfect straight edge all the way around your pipe. You won't end up with a baloney cut.
yeah, buddy. Ooh, doggy.
Woo dog.
Yeah, go grab the other one.
He touched the wrong end. So now that he's got the old tip off, it's going into the parts graveyard in the back of the old truck. You got any future plans with that?
For sale.
For sale.
50 bucks, 100 bucks side.
Just like with every other part. So 50 bucks or 100 bucks sign can be yours. Probably along with every other part in there, except for Big Chungus.
Yeah, Chungus not for sale.
That's going on the new truck at some point here soon. Right?
Oh yeah.
That's mini Chungus.
There we go.
Is that as far as it goes?
That's as far as it needed to go.
Don't you need a clamp? Or is that just test fitting it?
That's just test fit to see where he wants it.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
For the time being?
Yeah.
You falling asleep down there?
Yeah.
You happy with that? You filled the whole street with smoke. I'm standing down there filming his rollers like this, and I can't breathe. But I guess it works good. You roll out more smoke with it. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. A little bit shorter than usual, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. You like your new tip?
Oh yeah.
Till the stack gets on there?
Yeah.
So when's the stack coming?
Little temporary new exhaust tip.
Well, when's the stack coming? Everybody wants to know.
Probably got to be the middle of June. By June, yeah.
We might hold him to that, we'll see. He's got some other very cool, exciting mods on the way too. Be sure you guys follow our Instagram. We'll be giving you guys little hints about what's coming to this truck here soon. So make sure you guys follow the Instagram. I'll put it down in the corner. Anything else you want to say? Nope. All right, I guess we'll sign off with the usual. But before we sign off, make sure you guys are subscribed so you guys don't miss out on any future content on the channel, and drop us a like. It helps us out, helps us keep growing. And make sure they leave a comment, right? Oh, yeah. What do you want them to leave a comment on?
How you feel about the new tip?
Yeah. Leave a comment if you like the tip or not. Let us know. But I think we're just going to sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.